video we're going to be doing some division with grouping. So the first example I wanted to show you is 6 divided by 2. Now the groups we need will be your second number in your division number sentence. So in this case we need 2 groups because we are sharing between 2. So I will do 2 big circles and they are my groups. I'm sharing 6 between those 2 groups, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some smaller circles into my bigger ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you could see there, what I was doing is I was going back and forth between my 2 circles. I stopped at 6 and I can double check that this answer is correct by making sure that I've got the same amount of smaller circles in my bigger circles. It can be a little bit confusing when we're talking about all those circles. What I do with my class is I call it the cookie method because it reminds us of cookies and chocolate chips. So it's kind of easy to remember it by thinking of it like that. I do smaller circles inside the bigger one, so when I'm double checking, I can colour them in as I go. And it means that I know what I've counted and what I haven't. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 3 for that one. Next question is 12 divided by 3. So remember, the second number in your division number sentence is how many you are dividing by, which means it's how many groups that you need. They are the bigger circles or the bigger cookies. 1, 2 and 3. And we're sharing out 12 between those 3 bigger groups. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can double check that my answer will be correct because I should have the same amount of circles in each bigger one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is my answer, so I'm going to pop that there. The tip I will give you for this one is to make sure, if you can, to have your bigger groups in the same line and the same size as well. What happens when we do smaller circles and bigger circles and they're all over the place, when it comes to the next stage of counting and double checking that we've got each one right, we can get confused with where we're putting the circles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some on the board for you. You can pause the video and come back and we will go through the answers together. So I am going to say 16 divided by 4, 20 divided by 5, 14 divided by 2, 40 divided by 10, 21 divided by 3, 18 divided by 2, and let's try 24 divided by 6 as well. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions to get on with. Pause the video now and then come back when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, Year 2, it is now answer time. First question, 16 divided by 4. The second number in my number sentence is how many I am dividing by, which means it's how many circles that I need, because they are our groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got all my circles in one straight line, and I'm going to share now 16 between those 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And remember, to check our answers, we can colour in the little chocolate chips, I call them, in the middle of your cookie. So we should have 4 in each one. Let's double check together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means my answer then is 4. Next one is 20 divided by 5. 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sharing 20 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to double check by colouring in the smaller circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer again is 4. Another way we could have done that division is by using our times table knowledge as well. We could have counted in 5s up to 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. And then again it leaves us with 4. Next question is 14 divided by 2. Rub it on the board out. 14 divided by 2 and also 40 divided by 10. So for 14 divided by 2 I need 2 groups. 1, 2. I'm sharing 14 between those 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I should have 7 in this one as well, because remember they should both be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My answer then is 7. Another way I could have worked that out is by using my times tables. I could count in 2s up to 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I'm left with 7 fingers, which means the answer must be 7. 40 divided by 10. A lot of groups this time. We need 10 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could have also done 5 circles and then another 5 circles underneath. I'm counting in 40 now. Well, 240 I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can see, I'm going to do this quickly because I can see already in each one that there are 4. You can take your time with that though. 1, 2, 3, 4. In each one, you can easily see that I have the same amount, which is good. And I can see that that amount is 4. Another way I could have worked that out is by using my 10 times tables to count up to 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm left with 4 fingers, which means my answer is 4. Let's do the last two. We've got 21 divided by 3 and also 18 divided by 2. So 21 divided by 3, I need 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, and I'm sharing out 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm counting how many smaller circles are in my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My answer is 7. 18 divided by 2. 2 groups, sharing 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then I stop there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer is 9. I could have also checked that by counting in twos up to 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 is my answer. And I've got 9 fingers to prove it. I did say that was the last two, but I remembered that I gave you an extra question. So let's do the last one. It was 24 divided by 6. I can see the second number in that number sentence is 6, which means I need 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm sharing 24 out, which means I need to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, you guessed it. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the last one, which means my answer is 4.